All right, YouTube. I'm Vince White, and I'm issuing a correction. I was wrong. I don't think I was wrong, but an attorney friend of mine who wants to remain nameless because he or she is clever and doesn't want to get 10,000 phone calls. Apparently, I'm too dumb for that. Attorney friend of mine contacted me after my most recent video where I said, "Listen, I don't really know where this idea of the personal belief exemption comes from. Generally, these are not accepted readily in the course of religious exemptions under the employment laws and under the case law." And what I specifically said was, I don't really know. I've looked around at that. I don't see it as being all that effective in the prior case law. I don't see those personal belief exemptions as doing well. And this attorney friend, kind of said, "Hey, those personal belief exemptions actually kind of go back to conscientious objectors, which if you recall, are people who got drafted into the military to go fight wars, and would say, hey, my faith or my personal beliefs say that I can't go fight this war. I can't go kill people for you. I don't believe in that. I think that's a wrong thing to do." And eventually that was granted and respected, right? They would label those people conscientious objectors, and you had people who were members of a faith, such as perhaps the Quakers, who would not join the war effort. But you also had people who just said, listen, I just don't believe in that. And there is some law from the EEOC. There's a holding from the EEOC kind of extending the personal belief doctrine, discussing it. And what I'm going to do is link that down below. There's a site thrown up, just kind of maintained by the Cornell Law School, and it delves a little bit and gives some case law into the personal belief doctrine and the protections it can give you in the workplace. And those of you who are trying to get a personal belief exemption for a vaccine mandate may find this useful. Now, I want to stress to you, I do not believe the personal belief exemptions are going to be granted. I do not believe if you don't have six figures to just throw down and pay for litigation that you'll be getting this exemption right now. I think it's very unlikely you'll be successful. But that being said, I'm not going to say, oh, I think this, so I'm not going to help you. Especially where, an attorney friend kind of does the legwork for me. And so here it is. I'm going to provide the link in the doobie-doo down below, the description box down below. This is not something that I think is going to be effective. Again, I don't think it's going to be effective. But I'm also not one to tell you, hey, you can't try. It's your right. It's theoretically a free country, right? So I wish you the best of luck, and I will check the comments down below. Don't call me about this. Don't call me about this. I'm not going to take those calls, but I will check the comments down below. And I wish you all the best. I hope you're successful in whatever your endeavors you're engaged in that brought you to this video. And I hope you all stay safe out there.